Welcome once again in my engineering technical training lesson. Today is lesson number 13, that is reduction of RPM of a motor or anything else. Reduction of its RPM through gear and pinions. Today I shall discuss about these things. A gear is a toothed wheel that transmits force and rotational motion to. Okay, clear? The history of invention of gear and pinions wheel starts with the invention of making watches, which took place in automobile and small motors after then. So many so many gears and pinions, and finally it reaches to this point. Okay, one again you see. You again see, this is an induction motor. I have more a big gear motor in my workshop. Still, they are, but those were very big, so I did not brought it to my this place. Okay, you are now fully aware that you can show the RPM of anything, whether it is motor or an engine, with the help of gear and pinions, which I wanted to show it to you. Thank you. In making machines, I did not require set of gears and pinions. If anything was